Viewers, today we are here to talk about how they start this farm and how challenge they go through in and how many times even the goats they born in a year and which kind of breed is this? Is it from Ghana or Nigeria? Some say South Africa. We'll know it. And viewers, keep watching the Chawanji Edge and subscribe the video. Make sure you share the video across the world and like it. Hi, you can call me Nichawanji H. I really appreciate all my subscribers across the world, I really appreciate you guys. Without you guys, no Nichawanji H. Charlie, Minkoye, Mititeheya. Today, I'm here for you guys. And we are here to discuss something small about a female goat and a male goat when they come to heat and they want to breed to another goat. We are here to discuss something small about them. Before that, if you are not yet to subscribe the channel to Nature 1GH, please subscribe it and like it and share the video across the world, like how you guys are doing for me from beginning up to date. I really appreciate you guys. Your frog gate farms, your Apegumajoma. Now, your babaji adventure kakra efa mpontin ni ndwan ni other animals a omuye wa ha. Menu abema mema wakwaba eba Nature 1GH.
You are welcome to Floodgate Farms.
Thank you so much. How do you start your farm?
This farm started with the female and the female sheep, Balami, and the female goats, Red, from Kalahari.
How many of them did you use it to start?
We started with 5 sheep and three female goats.
You started with 5 sheep.
5 female sheep and 3 female goats.
5 female sheep
And
3 female goats. Right now, how many goats do you have in your yard?
We have like 28 goats.
For how long now did you start?
We started it in the year 2022.
2022.
Yeah, that's 4 years from now.
4 years from now.
Yeah.
And you are having, it's supposed to have more than that.
Yeah, but some of them died. Yeah.
What happened to them? Are you not taking care of them?
We take care of them. We take care of them, but some of them, the weather condition here is not good at all.
The weather condition?
The weather condition, and some of them, the sickness, yeah, and the pores. They have some pores on their skin. It also kills them a lot. If you have it in your farm, you have to prevent it.
What caused all those sickness?
Yeah, I said.
Is you guys are not taking care of them or what?
We take care of them. It's like the weather condition.
Oh, okay.
The weather condition is part. When it's rainy season, if the rain fall on them, the goat, that's when the pores come on their skin.
Means that goat, they don't like the rain, they don't like water.
They don't like water on their skin. They don't like it at all.
What's the name of your breeds?
The red breed from Sokoto Red.
Sokoto Red.
Yeah.
From which country?
That's Nigeria.
Why do you decide to buy animals from outside to breed in Ghana here?
Because their breed is very expensive. Even
The Nigerians?
When it comes here, it's very expensive for consumers.
Oh, okay.
And also, how do I say it? They also give us the babies.
The babies?
Yeah, a lot. Some can give birth 2 times in a year.
In a year?
3 to 2 times.
What about our local one?
The local ones too, they do, but we don't like them.
It's because they are small.
Yeah, like as I said,
They don't have price.
Their price is too low than the foreign ones.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, what's the name of your breeds?
Which one?
Especially the goats.
The goats. The red breed from Sokoto.
The red one.
Yeah, the red breed from Sokoto and Kalahari from South Africa.
Oh, okay. Which one is Karahari? The red ones.
The deep red one. The short male one. Here you see.
Okay.
The short male one over there.
Oh, okay. Okay, I see.
These sheep are from northern Nigeria. That's the Balangi.
This.
Northern region Nigeria.
You bought them from Nigeria.
Yeah, northern part of Nigeria.
Oh, okay.
That's Sokoto. This
Okay. So personally, you do you love animals?
I love animals. They are my passion
Why do you love animals?
because my brother is doing them, and I also help him. And I love how he take care of them, and I also learn from him.
Oh, okay. So how do you take care of them when they sick?
Yeah, we have medicines that we use to take care of them, like the vitamin, the Bico. We have many of them. Dexa, Multivite, the Duema for the lungworms in their stomach. When they eat, we have to drain them so that they'll be comfortable and be healthy.
How many times did you deworm them in the month?
We drain them over here. We drain them, I think, 1 or 2 times in a month.
1 or 2 times in a month.
Yeah,
All the animals, or only.
all of them.
Yes, like he said, when you want to be a farmer, especially animal farmer like this, my brother said that you need to learn more things about them because their health is like a human being. They can sick at any time. You understand? Animal can sick as you see them. They are joking, they are playing, they are having fun and scratching their body like that. They can sick at any time. They can die at any time. That is how God create them. God create animals like a human beings. You understand? So more time you need to take care of them, like how you take care of yourself. Animals are important. So when you want to be animal farmer like this, you need to learn more. You need to learn more things about your animals that you want to farm. Exactly. Yes. And yeah, kind of sad na yeah, train and I said yeah, train or more behaviors no and no na eguswa more shane fefe no more time no when good behaving like this people think that they are disturbing but they also have their right to do whatever they're supposed to do or they have their right to do what they want to do because they are also in their world. Yes, animals they also have their world that they live. So when they are doing things like that, I think that they are not disturbing. Exactly, they are not disturbing. They are doing their things that they can be okay. Exactly. Oh, stop! I don't like that. You understand? So, and one koso fefe no fefe impontino no good. Yes, we are still on good behaviors on Nature 1GH. Now we are here to talk about how they behave. Yes, their behaviors. Can you tell us about their behaviors?
You see how he's doing it? That's the mating. They are mating. They want to cross them. The female one. The male one want to cross the female ones. That's when they usually use the sound. You hear the sound, they disturb a lot. Huh?
In evening or more time.
Even
They have special time to do that.
more times in the evening when we are sleeping. In the night when we are sleeping around 12 to 2. They disturb a lot when crossing the female one.
They always crossing them or they have time to cross them.
always. There's no time that they don't cross them. Anytime they do.
So do you like their behaviors? When normally they are behave like that, what do you,
When they
what do you feel?
when they do it around the midnight, I don't feel it. But when at the daytime, I feel it more time. But
Why in the midnight they disturb you?
the time we are sleeping, that's the time they are worrying us. They worry a lot. Nah, they worry us a lot.
So did you enjoy their? Did you enjoy them,
Yeah,
especially when everybody
I
is
think
not
I
here?
like I like it when they do that because we need more of the air,
Entertainment.
more of the breeze.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. And they normally do that. Remember, they also entertaining the society.
Yeah, they are entertaining the society. Yeah, that one too is part. But they worry a lot. They
They worry a lot.
Yeah, our neighbors even talk.
Oh,
Our
wow.
neighbors, the next house,
The next house.
they also disturb them. But as for us, we are normal because we are farmers. We are the one taking care of them. Yeah.
So, what your neighbors want you to do about their disturbing?
They don't talk about it, but I know they don't like it.
Oh, okay. They don't like it. They don't. They are not talking about that. But
They won't come here and talk about, but I know they don't like it because they are not watching after. They don't take care of them. But we here taking care of them. It's normal. Yeah, it's normal.
for me, I like normally when they are behaving like that. I like their behaviors because when you are sitting down and you are watching them more time and you watch how they are behaving, they behave like a human beings more times.
Yeah, they behave like human beings.
Viewers, do you think goats disturb around or not? What do you think? Drop it at my comment section. I'll come and read it for you guys. Goat, I think that goat didn't disturb because they also have their word that they live. You understand? God create everything according to, like our human being like this, we like this. We are also have our word that we live. We live. We have everything. We feel everything inside. You understand? The same animals, like goat like this, they are also have they also have their life and their world that they live. So more time when they are disturbing or when someone will say they are disturbing, when they are making noise around and they are living around, going up and down, speed, making noise, don't be thinking that they are disturbing. I think that they are living in their life, they are living in their world. That is how God created them. You understand? That is why we call them nature. You can't decide for nature. What nature said, nature said. You understand? Everybody have a right to live in this earth, including wood, stone, everything. You understand? God create everything step by steps. Everything in this world, in this earth is important, especially animals like this. Without animals, I don't think that human being can survive in this earth. Especially, for example, when you are alone and you maybe you are taking something. Sometimes you wish to hear some of animals' voice to remember you something. You understand? Something like that. So that one crampodo is a bigger thing that from is an important thing from animals. So more time, every human being in this earth, you can't tell me that you don't have a pet. Everybody have a pet kind of animals that he or she like. You understand? Some of we like, me, I like all animals. The only animals that I don't like, maybe I would say that I don't like, but it's because I'm afraid of him. Yes, I don't like snake, and maybe yes, I don't like snake. Yes, as for snake, there, I don't like snake in my life at all. No, I like all the animals. Animals like goat, sheep, cows, cat, dogs, especially domestic animals like this. I really love them so much. Yes, but when it comes to uh, the bush animal like snake and those things, that one I don't like them. Yes, I am afraid of them. Maybe I am afraid of them. Maybe I will say that I will say that I like them, but I be afraid I'm afraid of them. Yes, take it like that. My English no good, so manage for me. Pepepe. Ebusia aha ene chawaji e sosem na like na jaye wadwe nkyerɛ na ne ye wadwe nkyerɛ na ebeji bra bekinkan about kama kama. E ponchen anasa brodi to ne din sɛ goat. Omo twegu a wo hwɛ omo fefefe na ye wadwe nkyerɛ e wo bodo bia no fa jaye e wo comment hot sɛ ne a ye ka no pepepe. Ebusia mpɔnkye deɛ onye ɔmo a ɛyɛ paa ɛne sɛ they are more profitable. You understand? Every animal like domestic animal like this, they are more profitable because uh, they can make you happy. They will entertaining you. They will make you happy more time. At the same time, they will be giving you money. You understand? A goat like this, the guy is telling me that a goat like this, they can sell it like uh, 500 $500 to $600. You understand? It's a big money. More pa. I don't think Oba so I don't watch them continue watch a video no so ama adofo a omo pebi ahwe kama kama. Yanko na yantwa ye eka no so kama kama. Yes, about good behaviors.